Hey everyone, how is it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to resize the video in a Capcut PC. So without any further delay, let's get into it. I have already imported the video. Now add the video to the timeline. Now click on the video and you can see a white border around the video. You can start resizing the video by playing with these four dots. You can make the video smaller and take the video around anywhere. This is the second way to resize the video. Go right, transform. If you increase the scale, the video will look like this. If you decrease the scale, the video will be smaller. There are positions and rotations that you can play with. Now let's say you want to turn this video into reels in a 9:16 ratio. For that, click on Ratio and select 9:16. Now just go on the video and increase the scale of the video and adjust the position. Now let's play the video. You can also convert the video in any other format as well. That's how you can resize video in Capcut PC and laptop. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.